Cody.
Come over there, kitty cat.
What are we doing? Bosco. Bosco. Hi, Porter. How are you? How are you, Porter?
I got your tail now.
Tuck, tuck. I still see your boo-boo on your nose.
You must have hit it right.
Yeah. Oh, Max. You know, Max, he's the boxer. He's supposed to do that. All right, boys. Come on. Max. Max.
Hey!
Max, come. Come on. Come on. Come on.
It's okay, whatever.
Katrina. Hi, beautiful. What do you think? Tuck, tuck. Can you do it, Tucker, without sliding? There you go. Good job. You did it without falling off. Happy guy. You're gonna be my sidekick now? What are you doing? What are you doing in here, handsome Huck? What are you doing? Come here. Handsome Huck. Oh, Max. Dalton. Come on, Dalton. Dalton. Hi. Are you scared because I have my hat and my hood on? It's just me, I promise. Dalton! Porter. Dalton!
Hey,